Greetings to all friends. We are here in Coimbatore district at Mundipudur. Take a look at this place. Our Pioneer Bioseptic tank has a capacity of 1500 liters, which is sufficient for up to 10 people. This customer from Coimbatore visited our stall at the Kodichalam Expo and was very impressed with our Pioneer Bioseptic tank. After asking about the specifications, he was very impressed. Our Pioneer Bioseptic tank has a YouTube channel. They have been promoting it regularly. They have been asking people to call us and visit our site. Our site engineer visited immediately and provided a clear map for the tank installation. They have even prepared everything for you. Now we are about to start installing our tank. Once you install this tank, it will last a lifetime. You don't need to spend anything on maintenance, and similarly, you never need to clean this tank throughout its entire lifetime. No matter what type of biotank you purchase from the market, whether it's made of PVC, concrete, or even a single layer of FRP material, you will always have to maintain it every 3 months, which means refilling it with bacteria from the stores. You can find both liquid and powder forms. Adding these to the tank will ensure the human waste inside is cleaned, but with our Pioneer Bioseptic tank, there is no need to refill the bacteria. When you install our tank, you only need to add bacteria once, and that's it. Both the bacteria and the tank come with a 50-year warranty from Pioneer Bioseptic tank. You might be curious about how we can offer a 50-year warranty on bacteria. We ensure this by manufacturing the tank with high-quality imported FRP material and applying a special coating. This advanced system ensures that the waste within the tank is consistently balanced, keeping the bacteria active and effective. Consequently, there is no need for any bacteria refills throughout its lifetime. Additionally, you won't have to clean the tank. The tank itself is backed by a 50-year warranty, and the bacteria are guaranteed to last for 50 years as well. The only bioseptic tank that provides a warranty is our Pioneer Bioseptic tank. Similarly, for cleaning your toilet, you can use any market brands like Harpic, Domex, etc., but do not use acid. We have tanks available from 1200 liters to 60,000 liters, suitable for schools, colleges, apartments, and homes all over India. We are providing these tanks for you. If you want to get more details about this, head over to the Pioneer Bioseptic Tank YouTube channel, where you can watch all our installation videos. Whether it's your friends or customers who have any queries, make sure to share this video with them. Call the number displayed above and our team will come to assist you. Thank you, friends. Best wishes.